many different names. I have many life forms and many faces, many colors and many senses. I am many sounds, many tastes and many places. I am fertile and abundant. I am the keeper of time. I am the source of life. I am the Danube. Join us as we journey along the Danube in Serbia, one of the last authentic river sanctuaries in the heart of the European continent. Lush landscapes of forests, marshlands, river islands. A habitat for thousands of botanical and animal species. Feel the abundance and the life that thrives. The great river attracted many nations to its shores and made up the fabric of life on the Danube. A Slovakian bride is getting ready for the most important day of her life. When you see the Hungarians spin, you will wish to join in the traditional dance of Czardas. Meanwhile, the Croatian Shoksia women are knitting away over a glass of brandy and a plateful of gossip. When you're looking for joy, music and dance, no one is better at it than the Serbs. With a pinch of salt and a warm loaf of bread, the Serbian people will welcome you to the Danube. Let's take a walk through time and the Danube's vast heritage that has shaped our lives. It all started here 9,000 years ago in Lepenski Vir, one of the oldest urban settlements in Europe. Inspired by water and stone, fish-like sculptures testify to the strong bond between people and the great river. Discover Vinča, impressively advanced prehistoric culture. 7,000 years ago, this ancient metropolis flourished in art, trade, and early literacy. Follow the footsteps of the ancient Roman civilization and the exciting architectural sites that testify to the importance of the Danube to the great empire. Trajan's Road, Viminacium, Felix Romuliana are just some among the many treasures of antiquity. Christianity is closely knit with Serbia and its Danube region. Feel the spirit of the picturesque town of Sremski Karlovci and the holy mountain of Fruška Gora, the spiritual soul of the Serbian nation. Sail through the mighty Habsburg monarchy and medieval Serbia. In the Middle Ages, Serbia was deeply connected with the Danube. The great historical heritage is evident as we wander at the majestic fortresses that line the river throughout its course through Serbia. the fortress of Golubac, one of the greatest forts on the entire Danube. The fortress of Smederevo, the biggest architectural achievement of medieval times. And the magnificent Kalemegdan that stands high above the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers. Enjoy the many splendors of this spectacular river. With the people, the diversity, through natural beauties and historic legacy. On the fertile plains, with the wine of the old winemakers, where every drop holds all the stories the river tells. With wine, fish, and the sounds of the Danube, let's raise our glasses to the great river that connects us all. Feel the joy. Celebrate. Feel the freedom. Experience the great wilderness of the Danube. Different names. I have many life forms and many faces. I am the witness of ages. I am constant, and yet I'm changing. I am the thread that connects us all.